Hello everyone. You all are again welcome to another video of Studyism Quest on a very interesting and important topic. Wars are noisy affairs. The firing of guns, the explosion of bombs, and the flight of fighter planes all creates a lot of noise. The chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, voice of raining. How was that sound produced and traveling to your ears? That's what we are going to explore in this video. We will learn about how sound is created. So let's get started. Sound is a form of energy. Have you ever felt that energy? All the different sounds that you hear around you are produced by the vibrations of objects. Do you know what is vibration? Back and forth or to and fro movement of any body is called vibration. Stretch a rubber band and pluck it with a finger. What do you observe? Plucking rubber band produce vibrations and these vibrations create sound. The strings of the guitar create melodious sound while vibrating. You also can notice the vibration of mobile phone while ringing. When we hit drum with a drumstick, it makes sound. Sound is produced when the membrane of drum vibrates. Place your finger on your throat and say something. What do you notice? Your vocal cords that produce sound are vibrated, and due to vibrations they create sound. How does sound travel? Have you ever dropped a stone in still water in a pond? Did you notice waves forming around the point where the stone was dropped? In a similar manner, sound waves travel around the vibrating object. Sound waves need some medium to travel, such as solid, liquid, and gas. Sound waves cannot travel in vacuum. Vacuum is a place where no matter exists, an empty place free from solid, liquid, and gas. Can sound travel through a space? Sound cannot travel in space because space is a vacuum, meaning it contains almost no matter. Sound need a medium to traveling through, so the speed of sound is different in different mediums. The speed of sound in steel is 5,000 meters per second. The speed of sound in water is 1,500 meters per second. The speed of sound in air is 340 meters per second. Speed of sound is faster in solid, slower in liquids, and slowest in gases. Because in solids and liquids the particles are close to each other than they are in gas. Therefore, the vibrations are able to transfer faster in solids and liquids than in gases. Human beings hear different sounds using their ears. Following is the mechanism through which we hear any sounds. We can divide air into three portions: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. When sound waves coming from any source, it enters the outer ear and passes through the ear canal and reach the eardrum. The eardrum vibrates and sends the vibration to three bones in the middle ear. The middle ear's bones transmit sound waves to the inner ear. The vibrations travel to the cochlea, a snail-shaped structure in the inner ear. The cochlea is filled with fluid. Due to vibration, that fluid and fine hair-like projections present inside the cochlea begin to move. The movement of the hair cells create electrical signals that travel along the auditory nerve to the brain. The brain processes these signals as sound that we hear. The intensity of sound is the loudness or softness of sound. As we know, sound travels in waves. The height of the wave is called amplitude. Sound waves with higher amplitude have higher intensity, means loud sound. Sound waves with lower amplitude have lower intensity, means soft sound. The unit to measure the intensity of sound is decibel. Through following chart, you can understand the intensity of different sound. Sound in the range of 10 to 40 dB is very low. just audible like breathing, rustling of leaves, whispering. Sound of 50 to 70 dB is moderate, like talking, car sounds. Sound between 70 to 100 are very loud, like truck horns, helicopter. Sound between 110 to 140 is painful to our ears, like sound of jet plane, siren, trumpet, firecrackers. Noise is an unwanted sound that is unpleasant or loud. Excessive and continuous noise in our surroundings creates noise pollution. Noise pollution caused by honking by vehicles, loud music, sirens and fire alarms, industrial activities. Noise pollution can have many harmful effects on human health. Some are listed below. Hearing loss and sleep disturbances, stress and tension, high blood pressure, headache and earache. Since humans are responsible for noise pollution, it is in our hand to reduce this pollution. We all need to be aware of our responsibility in reducing noise pollution. Some possible ways to control this are as follows. Turn off your electronics when you do not use them. Lower the volume when you watch TV or listen to music. Remind drivers not to use the horns too much. Avoid firecrackers. Speak slowly and softly. Do not shout. We should not use loudspeakers and should not play music too loudly during parties. We should plant more trees. Trees absorb sound and helps in reducing noise pollution. We can reduce noise levels in homes and offices by putting carpets on floors, covering windows with curtains. I hope you all are clear about how sound produces and travels. Do remember to like, comment and share this video and hit the subscribe button for my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.